It's not the world as we usually see it. It's one created by teenagers. The double vision becoming a single image through a virtual reality headset. This environment has no pollution, no litter, designed to be a new, clean world, a space to explore in VR. And this is the team who built it.
Shows, how the litter, the impacts it has on the environment, as well as how it comes back to the people.
40 Year 11 and 12s from 10 local schools took part in a TAFE initiative to immerse themselves in a new VR course. Andrew Homenko built a murder mystery game, but he sees well beyond the simple entertainment value.
I got a lot of plans, but game development, things like this certainly is interesting, and I would be intrigued to do it in the future.
VR is in big demand in many industries. Education, health, tourism. Coast TAFE students are already creating worlds for clients in interior design.
The client could actually see it in the virtual world. They could walk through that space before it had actually been built.
And now, high school students have a head start on promising careers.
It's a really booming industry, so I'm sure there are lots of opportunities for students here to continue down that path in the future.
Josh Adsett, 7 Gold Coast News.